Hey guys, so here's our next one for prediction. This time we're not going to be given the probability right off the bat like the last one, like it said, 3/8. So we're going to have to read, and yeah, there's a lot of words, but let's break it down. Let's annotate, and then let's make our equation, okay? So you have an equally likely chance of painting a house, apartment, or local business. After randomly choosing 18 locations, predict the number of times you would paint a house, okay? So we have equally likely chance of painting a house, apartment, local business. So we have three options. So we have three total options right here. Okay? After randomly choosing 18 locations, this 18, choosing 18 locations, that gives us our total for our other fraction. So our 18 is going to go over here. Predict the number of times you would paint a house. Okay? So what we're looking for is the probability of a house, and then we want to predict the number of times we would get the house if we choose a location 18 times randomly. Okay? So a house, and there's 1, 2, 3. If they're equally likely, that means I have a 1/3 of getting a house. I have a 1/3 of getting an apartment. So here's my house, here's my apartment, and I'll have a 1/3 chance of getting a local business. Okay, and we want the house, so we're going to do 1/3. And I'll put an H up here because we don't know how many times we're going to get the house yet. So just like before, though, we're going to cross multiply, and then we're going to divide by something. Okay? So cross multiply, we do 3 times h. Okay? Cross multiply, we're going to do 18 times 1. Well, 18 times 1 is just going to give me 18. Okay, so let's finish it up and rewrite our equation. So we got 3h equals 18. These are multiplying. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 3, 1h. So h equals 6. So I think the confusing part for this one will be when you're trying to figure out your probability, your initial probability. And sometimes it'll be worded a little bit differently. But if it says equally likely, just know that there's 1, 2, 3 options. There might be more, there might be less. But if it's equally likely, that means that each one's going to be 1 out of 3. If there were 4 different options, I would say each one would be 1 out of 4. So just be careful when you're reading it, okay? And if you have any questions, as always, please let me know. And I'm here to help y'all out, all right? So, what? I'll see you around.